I'm gonna remove this the flywheel holder right here. Now I think only thing left to do is to change the throwout bearing in the transmission, and then we're gonna slide this transmission back into place. And I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is all transmission. I mean, this is all engine oil sludge all around here. This just looks crazy. It doesn't really have too much play. No, it doesn't feel bad. And then this is what your throwout bearing looks like when you push that clutch in, just like that. Okay. What I'm gonna have to do here is I'm gonna have to hit this with a lot of degreaser. I'm gonna have to brush all in here because this is atrocious. It's just like the crud is so hard, and man, this is bad. Okay, if I'm not mistaken here, I think if I can just push this through, it'll come out like that. Good. Hold on. Okay, only working on one hand here. In a nutshell, you get the fork. Once you get the fork, you just keep on pulling it forward, and the thing will pop out. Now, we'll clean this up. This thing is packed with grease. And in a nutshell, I need to separate this throwout bearing from this mount right here. So give me a minute. Okay, so there's two pry bars. Got one laying here like this, one right here like this. It's coming out. Feel it. I think I got it out. Woo. Old pallet bearing. New one. Yeah. Well, she's all in. Okay. Alright, let us talk about grease. I usually like to use Mobil 1, but I have not been able to find it anywhere nearby. This is a multi-purpose grease. The big thing you want anytime you're using like a grease for like bearings, you want it to be like NLGI. It stands for automotive wheel bearing and chassis lubricant. This kind of stuff is good for these kind of applications. And then I'm just gonna grease this up. I'm not packing it. So notice that I'm not packing this stuff. You don't need like a killer amount. Nice thin coating. Over here, good. And then where the bearings snap in here and here, shiny parts like brake hub. Think of like a wheel, a drum, a brake drum. Put it on there like that. My hands are goopy, so I'm gonna clean my hands and then put this on. All right, and then a little bit on this pivot ball right here. It's like that. Okay, the throwout bearing just slides up to here, and then with our boot, we're gonna bring it in. So we'll put a little bit of grease in here too, all up in the bearing. Nothing crazy, very light coating. Okay. Hook into place. And then it snaps in place. And just like that,